Warning: the AI investment frenzy may be a ticking time bomb for markets. Imagine pouring trillions of dollars into a technology that promises to revolutionize industries, only to risk it all on uncertain returns. Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, AI investments, where the stakes are staggering, and the question on everyone's mind is, are we witnessing a transformative boom or a catastrophic bubble waiting to burst? The potential of AI to transform work and society is undeniable. However, the economics behind the current investment frenzy raise significant red flags. The parallels with the late 1990s telco and dot-com booms, which ended in a devastating crash, are unsettling. Back then, only a handful of tech giants emerged from the wreckage. Could history repeat itself in the AI sector? Mind-boggling numbers, uncertain returns, the so-called